The word neuroscience might sound distant, confined to labs and complex brain scans, but its discoveries are deeply personal, offering a user's manual for the very mind that shapes your reality. It reveals how our brains and nervous systems orchestrate every thought, feeling, and action, and more importantly, how we can consciously guide them toward well-being. The most powerful breakthrough is neuroplasticity, the understanding that our brain is not static. It can change, adapt, and literally rewire itself. Every new skill, every mindful practice forges new pathways, building a brain that is more focused, resilient, and emotionally balanced. This isn't theory, it's tangible biology. Take stress. Deep within the brain, the amygdala acts as our emotional alarm system. Brain imaging studies reveal that regular meditation can physically soothe this region, making us less reactive and more composed in the face of pressure. Or consider sleep. We now know it's far from a passive state. During deep sleep, your brain is hard at work, consolidating memories, flushing out metabolic toxins, and repairing itself. Even a simple habit like a brisk walk has profound neurological effects, boosting mood-lifting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, sharpening your thinking for hours to come. By translating these peer-reviewed findings into daily actions, we are empowered to take control of our mental health and build lasting wellness, no lab coat required. Let's transform this science into your practical toolkit, proven strategies to manage stress, deepen sleep, and reverse burnout. First, your most immediate tool for stress is your breath. Research from leading institutions confirms that specific breathing patterns can instantly reset your nervous system. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. Just a few cycles can trigger the body's relaxation response. Next, reclaim the power of movement. This doesn't require an hour at the gym. A brisk 10-minute walk or a few minutes of therapeutic stretching is enough to release endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators. Studies consistently show that regular movement lowers levels of the stress hormone cortisol, building your resilience to daily challenges one step at a time. Sleep is the non-negotiable foundation of recovery. To optimize it, anchor your body's internal clock with a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Crucially, limit screen time for at least 30 minutes before bed. The blue light from our devices actively suppresses melatonin, the very hormone that signals your brain it's time to rest. Instead, create the calming ritual. Dim the lights, read a physical book, or practice gentle, conscious movement. Finally, let's address burnout recovery. The science is clear. Human connection is a powerful antidote to emotional exhaustion. Reaching out to a trusted friend or colleague can profoundly reduce feelings of isolation. Schedule non-negotiable breaks throughout your workday to decompress, and learn the neuroscience of saying no. Setting boundaries isn't selfish. It's an essential act of self-preservation that is critical for sustained performance and long-term well-being. Begin experimenting with these daily practices and discover for yourself which ones unlock a calmer, stronger you.